yoyo boigo NIGO Egati Yabo banyarakoba bagoikirana ase ensemeyo bakoragwa n'umurai bwenseyo ya America Mheshimiwa Donald Trump na boigo umurai bwense Angola Joao Lorenzo umurai bwense eria ya Burundi Evariste Ndayishimiye Fauregang Sigbe bwense ya Togo n'umurai bo mu Afrika igaiga EU uyu manyakaine no Mheshimiwa Mohamed Ali Yusuf na boigo abatendri hababwatani kuru asensi ya Qatar no bomo bweki Arabu asebono umurai Paul Kagame na boigo Chisegi barire eira yogo cyakobeka umukia wokwenekya mbachi goikirana goikia ESEGI yo OMWERIO.
We have seen countless mediations and efforts, but none has succeeded in resolving the underlying issues. President Trump introduced a new and effective dynamism that created the space for breakthroughs. His approach is even-handed, never taking sides. He orients us toward the future, not the past, emphasizing that the dividend of peace is prosperity and investment, including from the United States.
There's a time for despair and there's a time for hope. Today, we are experiencing a great day. We are looking forward to this agreement, which will give back hope to the peoples of Congo and of the sub-region. I would like to congratulate everybody involved who made this great day possible. We urge God to continue to guide us, to guide the steps of all people of goodwill who will become involved for its implementation. Committing oneself is something, but implementing is something else, which is why I call upon all of you, provide your contribution to actually implement this accord.